Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will go through the detailed process of replacing the LCD cover on a Lenovo IdeaPad 315IL05. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and an anti-static wrist strap for safety. Begin by powering down your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if applicable. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the laptop. Make sure to keep them organized, as you will need them later. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic pry tool to detach the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any components inside. If you're unsure about handling this, we can assist with pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you don't have to make any calls or travel. After removing the back cover, locate the LCD assembly. You will see screws holding the LCD cover in place. Carefully unscrew these and set them aside. Be cautious not to touch any internal components, as they can be sensitive. A quick internal cleaning with compressed air can help prevent future issues. If you need assistance, remember we provide a quote before repair, helping you understand potential costs ahead of time. Next, gently lift the LCD assembly out of the casing. This may require some wiggling and gentle pulling. Once free, you can now access the old LCD cover. If it's cracked or damaged, replace it with a new one that matches your model. Align the new LCD cover with the LCD assembly and press it into place until you hear a click. Reattach the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tight but not overly so to avoid cracking the new cover. If you're feeling uncertain at any step, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. With the new cover securely in place, carefully reattach the back cover of the laptop. Ensure all clips are aligned before pressing down firmly to lock everything in place. After you've reinserted the screws in the back, reconnect the battery and power up your laptop to check if everything is functioning properly. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the LCD cover on your Lenovo IdeaPad 315IL05. If you experience any issues or need further assistance, remember we are here to help with our pickup and delivery service at your convenience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.